So today I am going to talk about Black Friday, and Black Friday as in an eyeliner color. I am going to share some tips and tricks with you on how to apply it and which best brushes to use. So I hope you stay tuned and watch. My mission is to help women over 30 look and feel stylish on the daily, and if that's you, you're in the right place. And this is my channel, so I hope you like what you see, you subscribe to it, and you follow me, and we stay forever connected. So first, though, is brush selection, and recommended are two brushes. So you want either the line brush or the multitasker brush, and both because of the small ends that they have. The second thing to remember with your Black Friday eyeliner is that it's drier on top, so you actually want to tap in your brush and get it deeper down in the product so that you get enough for application. Things you need to know with this eyeliner is that it's cream based, so application and setting techniques are going to be extremely important. The next thing to know is how to apply it, and really you don't want to draw it on in a line, you more want to press it on. So if I do under my eye here, I'm just going to take the product and I'm going to press it on. Okay, we can also fill it in on our upper lashes by just pressing it on a fine line there. So we kind of want to put it on and not go beyond the color of our eye. We want to put it on this way. So the number one important thing with this, though, is this is cream eyeliner, so it's going to move. We have to set it. So we can set it with a product called Salem, Kohl, Trust. We have lots of options, or you can pick your favorite color, dark color, and set it with that too. I'm going to use Kohl today, and I'm going to take my line brush, tap that in, and then set that powder on top of my line. And I'm going to do that on the top. And now it will wear throughout the day better. I can blend that out a little bit. There. So now that you can see one eye done and one eye not done. I'll quickly do the other eye. So I'm just going to take the flat end of the multitasker brush and I'm just going to press that all and make sure the line is what I want. And there, Black Friday eyeliner. So until next time, live, love, learn, and laugh.